There you have it. Cabinets all white and nice. What do you think? Now let's see the process. So what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. So a lot of people, don't want to purchase new cabinets like I do. I was like, man, I just bought this house, but I'm not trying to buy and install whole new cabinets right now. So I decided to, well, guess what? Update the cabinets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took me a while to figure out all the stuff I need, and the process was a little time consuming, but overall the cabinets came out great. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video, subscribe, and hopefully you guys learn something from this and even follow the procedures and get it done yourself. So enjoy the video. So today I'm working on some cabinets. So I'm gonna have the cabinets all white. So I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process, how to update your cabinet. All right, let's go. First, we take the cabinets off and we're gonna get them prepped. All right, let's go. So the first thing we're doing is get off all the handles, clean this all up. The old owners had a little sticky pads or whatever on them, so. Get these prepped up. So, the rule is that you can't just paint these like this, you know that, right? So we have to use something to prepare them for painting, and because they're slightly glossy, so we have to prepare them for painting, and that's where my product comes in. Where is it at? Let me grab it. So this is the product I've been using. It's called liquid sandpaper. So basically what we do is get a little wet rag. Well, it's not wet, a dry rag, correction. Put a little on the rag and just wipe it down, and it deglosses it, prepares the surface for the for painting. First we're gonna put the primer on there. So that's what I meant to say. It's gonna prepare the surface for the primer. So you can put the primer on first, let that dry, and then we're gonna paint it. So I'll show you the whole process, how to get all of this done. So let's go. So what we just did now is just basically put the primer on there. So we primed them first, obviously, and then we put the real paint on there after. So some couple tips when you're priming them, just make sure you get the edges, because I always have a problem getting the edges pretty good, because the edge is gonna show when you put them on the, put them back on the cabinet, and people are gonna be able to see the edges. So like this one, for example, I need to go back over, you can see little dark spots right there. So just make sure you get the, whoa. But yeah, make sure you get the edges, and sometimes you can put like a second coat over it, little dark spots here and there. So just make sure that you just, careful and look out for any dark spots, and then take it from there. All right, just did the first coat on these. So we're gonna let these dry for a little bit, then we're gonna hit them one more time with a second coat of paint. And then that should be pretty much it. Let them dry, we just put them on. So this is it, you guys. Cabinet's done. It feels good to the touch. Got a little stuff on here, a little handles from Lowe's, so it's cool. So I like it. It came out good. I like it. So you guys should definitely tackle this process if you want to update your cabinets, but not trying to spend a lot of money right now. I think it's a good way to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe. I'll have more house update videos coming soon, and check out these little LED lights up there. All right, subscribe and see you guys later. Bye.